what's up guys? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Sunday morning here, getting ready to paint these fenders once and for all. They're all ready to rock and roll. They're clean, masked, seam sealed, and I even got the little air cleaner there. Top of the air cleaner I got to do, it was all still pitted from rust even after powder coating, so got to make that look good because there's going to be some decals on it. And I still have the front edge of the hood extension there. I have to give that another coat of primer, so I couldn't get that ready in time for today, but that'll be when I do the hood, I guess. So anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just getting ready to spray, so I'll just keep posting some videos of this. Alright, talk to you later. Hey guys, I'm back here. Got 2 coats of clear on right now. I'm going to put at least one more. Can't get too carried away because this clear will start popping on me, so I got to be a little bit careful, but I'm going to put 3 for sure. And right now they look amazing. A couple little specks, but nothing real serious. It's got to be polished out anyways. Nice and straight. Oh yeah, baby cakes. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're looking good. Hey. Ooh. Looking good. Gonna be another thing out of the way. That piece of crap fell on top right there, see? Can you see it right there? Look at that, one thing right there. It's always something. That don't matter, it'll buff out. It'll polish out, not too concerned about any kind of real dirt right now. Just trying to get it on as smooth as possible so I don't have too much sanding to do. So that's it. I will come back here when I get the last coat on. Alright. Oh yeah guys, check it out. Looking good. I got 3 coats. I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want to have any problems with solvent popping. But they're nice. There's enough build on there. I can knock it down and polish it. It'll be just hunky. So yeah, they look quite good. Nice and straight and shiny. And I still got that piece of shit up there. But other than that, it's really looking quite nice. Quite nice, I must say. So I'm gonna let these sit now for a couple, 3 days and then unmask them. And I got some guys coming this week, hopefully, to do the headliner and the vinyl top, and then after that I'm going to be able to get the trunk lid on and these parts here and start putting things together, because these guys are probably going to be rubbing up and making love to the sheet metal there, probably putting some marks in it, who knows. It's usually how it goes with people. So that's about it. Just wanted to show you that. That's what I'm doing on a Sunday. Alright guys, talk to you later.